Web forms are forms, and all the details submitted are automatically added to your database. You can put them in emails or on your web page so you can build your list with new contacts. They can even help you collect data on contacts you already have in your list. You can create refer to friend web forms so your contacts can recommend you, and you can even ask for files such as resumes or images if you're hiring or holding a photography competition. Now you know what they are. A great place to start would be the database fields video. If you already know how to set up a database field, well done. Your web forms rely on the database fields you have set up. Click on the Web Forms button in the menu. Use the Folder and Database drop-down menus to select the database you want associated with your web form. From here, you can choose a default web form or make a new one. Click on the header of the form to bring up the editor. The header can contain text, an image, or both. You can use the WYSIWYG tab to enter any text for your header, but since I have specially made a header image for my web form, I'll choose to use an image. Click OK when you're done. Click on the main body of the form that contains the database fields. You can click on a database field to reorder where it will appear, make it visible or invisible, and either make it mandatory or optional. From here, you can also format how your checkboxes will be displayed. The Table tab lets you change the font that your database field titles will be displayed in. There's also an option to apply different colors to alternative rows. The WYSIWYG tab lets you enter the content that will appear above the fields on the web form. When you're ready, click OK. You can even customize your Submit button. Click on it to bring up the Button tab. From here, you can edit the text, font, and size. I made an image especially for this purpose, so I can insert my image instead of using the button graphic provided. After all that, there's a good chance you want to embed these web forms onto your website or link to them from your messages. Start by finding your web form, select it, and using the pop-up menu, click the Get Code option. The pop-up box will give you a HTML code to place on your web page and a URL link to place in your web forms or elsewhere online. It's not recommended to use this HTML code to embed web forms into your actual emails because a lot of email services won't allow the code and it will be marked as spam. When embedding web forms, it's highly recommended you use a custom URL for your thank you page. A thank you page is what your contacts will see when they subscribe, but how to set them up will be explained in the Webforms Part 2 video. Using the Email Code tab, you can actually email the embed code to whoever deals with this kind of stuff. The update profile and unsubscribe forms can also be embedded. Send to friend web forms can't be embedded because they're designed to forward a copy of the email, and these will need to be linked to through your messages. To find out more about update, unsubscribe, and send to friend forms, check out the second web form video.